Welcome guys. This video will be inform you more information to make money fast with affiliate marketing. You can start make money fast using affiliate marketing using the link in description. If you're looking for a way to make money online, affiliate marketing has a lot going for it. It's really a simple concept. When you are an affiliate marketer, you promote someone else's product or service through a special link that is tracked with your affiliate ID. Every time someone buys their product or service through your link, you earn a commission. For digital products in particular, this commission can be high, even as high as 100% in some cases. The vendor takes care of product creation, delivery and customer support. All you have to do is drive traffic to your affiliate link. There are many ways to drive this traffic, but one of the best is through setting up a review website or blog. It does not have to be particularly flashy, but there is one key rule you must follow if you want to have a successful site. Thanks for watching.